Hello parents, welcome to the online class at Lead School at Home. This class has been designed for you to conduct the classes at home with your child. You will be able to do so by following the instructions given by the teacher during the class. In the class, you will notice the teacher doing three things. First, showing you how to teach and conduct activities with your child. Second, when to use the student reader and when to use the workbook. And third, a demonstration on how to teach and conduct activities directly with your child. For this, sometimes she will pretend that she is teaching the child directly. This is to show you exactly how to give instructions while teaching concepts related to English and math to your child. Every day, make sure that you have the student reader and workbook with you while attending the online class. You can attend these classes as per your convenience every day. So let's get started.
Hello parents, welcome to online SKG class at Lead School at Home. Every day you will attend the online class and will help your child complete the worksheets and conduct different activities at home. Please make sure that you have the student reader and workbook with you when you are attending this class. Parents, in theme, today we are going to help your child identify and name different objects present in the universe. We are going to help them understand that there are things which are present beyond the planet Earth. These objects are the planets, the stars, asteroids, meteors. There's so many things which are present in our universe. So today we are first going to show them a video to help them understand what are the different objects which are present in the universe. Let's see how we are going to do this activity with the child. Hello students, do you remember the name of the planet on which we live? Yes, the planet Earth. Do you know there are other planets around planet Earth as well? There is planet Earth and there are other planets present here as well. Let's see a video to see which other planets are also there around us.
This is our solar system. It has 8 planets and a big star we call the Sun. This is the Sun. It is in the center of the solar system. This is Mercury. It is the smallest planet. This is Venus. It is the hottest planet. This is Earth. We live on this planet. This is Mars. It is red in color. This is Jupiter. It is the biggest planet. This is Saturn. It has many rings. This is Uranus. It is blue-green in color. This is Neptune. It is the coldest planet. So now we know the names of all the 8 planets that make our solar system.
So students, now you know our solar system. You know that it has a sun and 8 planets. Can you name all the planets? Let's see these planets again, and I want you to identify and name all these planets. Okay students, tell me, what is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, this is sun. This is sun. What is this? Correct. This is sun. Can you name this planet? This is the smallest planet. Do you know which planet is this? and it is nearest to the sun. Yes, this is Mercury. What is this? Which planet is this? Yes, this is Mercury. Now tell me, do you know this planet? You know which planet is this? This is the hottest planet. Do you remember the name of this planet? Yes, this is Venus. What is this? Venus. It is the hottest planet. Do you know this planet? This is the planet on which we live. Do you know the name of this planet? Yes, you are right. This is Earth. This is our planet, Earth. What is this? Yes, this is planet Earth. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is something that you see every night in the sky. Now, can you tell me what is this? Correct, this is moon. What is this? Yes, this is moon. Do you know which planet is this? This is a red planet. Do you know what's the name of this planet? Yes, this is Mars. Mars. Which planet is this? Correct. This is Mars. Do you know this planet? This is the biggest planet. Do you know which planet is this? This is the biggest planet. This is Jupiter. What is this? Yes, this is Jupiter. And do you know which planet is this? You know, you can see it has many rings. These are the rings this planet has. Do you know this planet? This is Saturn. What is this? Yes, Saturn. Now you say it once. Correct. Saturn. This planet is Saturn. And do you know this planet? This is blue-green in color. It has blue and green both colors in it. Blue-green in color. It is blue-green in color. So do you know the name of this planet? This is Uranus. Uranus. Now you say it once. Correct. This is Uranus. And this is the coldest planet. This is the coldest planet. Do you know what is the name of this planet? This is Neptune. Neptune. What is the name? Yes, this is Neptune. So parents, this is how you are going to tell your child about our solar system. Tell them about the sun and how all the planets revolve around the planet sun and make our solar system. Tell them about the different planets and their distinct features as I have mentioned them during the class. After that, please open SR11 in your student reader. I am giving you 30 seconds to open SR11 in your student reader. Parents, as you can see, this has two parts. On the first part, you can see sun and some planets, and on the second part, you can see rest of the planets. So please show your child this picture. Tell them that this is sun and how the planets are arranged in this order around the sun. So tell them this is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and then the Earth's natural satellite moon, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and the farthest away planet Neptune. So please show them this picture when you are going to talk to them about different planets. Parents, in Literacy Today, we are going to read a new story with the child. In this story, the child will read the words using the blends and the letter sounds. So let's read the story, Frank the Frog. Parents, please open the story, Frank the Frog, in your student reader. Please open SR5 in your student reader. I'm giving you 10 seconds. Open SR5 in your student reader. Parents, today we are going to read the story Frank the Frog with the Child. This story has some words which a child can read using blends and letter sounds. So all the words which are marked in red, the child should be able to read those words using the blends and the letter sounds. Now I am going to show you how you are going to read the story with your child. Students, let's read a new story today. Are you excited to read this new story with me? Let's guess. What's this story about? Do you know what is this? Yes, this is a frog. And this frog's name is Frank. So this story is about Frank the Frog. So the title of the story is Frank the Frog. Frank the Frog. What is the title of the story? Good. And this story is written by Paridhi Sharma. The person who writes the story is called the author of the story. So the author of the story is Paridhi Sharma. And this story is illustrated by Piyush Daura. The person who draws the story is the illustrator. The person who has illustrated this story is Piyush Daura. Now let's read this story. Are you excited to read the story? Now you know how to read the words. You are going to read the words of the story as well. So let's read the words of the story and the story. Okay, let's try to read this word. What is this word? Yes, this is the blend frog. Frank. The, what is this blend? Frog. Frog. Rose. What is this blend? Crop. Crops. Frank the frog. Frog grows crops. Frank the frog grows crops. Repeat after me. Frank the frog grows crops. Good. Now read this word. What is this word? What is this blend? Yes, br. And this is ik. And this is ns. Br, ik, ns. Prince. Now read this word. Cr, p. Crop. Now let's read the sentence. The farm brims with crop. The farm brims with crop. Repeat after me. The farm brims with crop. Good. Look at this picture. Do you know what is this? Yes, this is crab. And you know who is this? Yes, this is Frank the Frog. Now, let's read this sentence. What is this word? Frank. What is this word? Read the blend. Frog. Frog. Read this word. What is the blend? Rats. Rats. And what is this blend? Crab. Crab. Now let's read this sentence. Listen to it carefully, then you are going to say it. Frank, the frog, rats, to the crab. Frank the frog rats to the crab. Frank the frog rats to the crab. Now you say, good. Now look at this picture. Who is this? Yes, this is Frank the frog. And what is he doing? He is using scissors to trim the crop, right? Now let's read the sentence. This is Frank the frog. Now read this blend. What is this? Trims. Trims. The crops. Frank the frog trims the crops. Frank the frog trims the crops. Now listen again and then you are going to say it. Frank the frog trims the crops. Now you say it. Good. Oh, now look at this picture. What is Frank the frog doing? He is in a tram, right? Now let's read this sentence. What is this word? Correct. Frank. The correct. Frog gets a tram. Tram. Now listen to the sentence. Frank the frog gets a tram. Frank the frog gets a tram. Now you say it once. Good. Now look at this picture. What do you think happened here? Yes, the tram trips on the crag. You can see it's a steep hill. The tram trips on the crag here. Now let's read the sentence. What is this word? Read. The blend is tram. Tram. This is trips. And this is crag. Now let's read the sentence together. The tram trips on the crag. The tram trips on the crag. Now you say it once. Good. Now look at this picture. What happened to Frank the frog? Yes, it is fretting. The Frank the frog frets. Now let's read this. Read this word. Yes, Frank. And this is frog. And what is this? This is frets. Frank the frog frets. Frank the frog frets. Now you read it once? Good. Oh, now look at this picture. Who has come to help Frank the Frog? Yes, the crab has come to help Frank the Frog. Now let's read. What is this word? Read the blend. Crab. Crab. Read this blend. This is crab. Crabs. Crabs. Frank. Frank. And this is frog. Frog. The crab. Crab. Crabs. Crabs. Frank. Frank. The frog. Frog. The crab grabs Frank the frog. Now you say it once. Good. Now, what do you think has happened here? Yes, Frank the frog and crab have become friends. Now they are good friends. Let's read this. This is Frank. Frank. This is frog. Frog. And this is crab. Crab. Frank. Frank. The frog. Frog. And the crab. Crab become friends. Frank the frog and the crab become friends. Now you say the sentence once. Good. Parents, this is how you are going to help your child read this story. Please ask them to read the words which are written in red in your student reader. Ask them to use the blends and the letter sounds that they have learned to read the word. And then help them read the sentence. Explain them what is happening in the story with the help of pictures. Parents, today in phonics, we are going to do a worksheet. Parents, please open WS15 in your workbook. I am giving you 30 seconds to open WS15 in your workbook. Parents, in this worksheet, your child will first recognize the picture and then understand the word. After that, they will fill in this blank with the correct blends from the options which are given here. I am now going to show you how you are going to help your child complete this worksheet. Students, in our last classes, we have done blends. Now I want you to tell me which blend is this? Yes, this is br. And this cr. And this gr. And this one tr. And this cr. So now you know the blends. Now let's do a worksheet today. In this worksheet, first you will look at the picture and tell me what is this picture. After that, you are going to tell me which is the correct option that we will fill here. So are you ready to do this worksheet with me? So tell me, what is this picture? Yes, this is Fred. Now think of the blend in this word. What is the blend in this word? This one or this one? Think of the word Fred. Which is the blend? Correct. Fr. So we are going to write the blend fro here. Write it with me in your workbook. Now, tell me, do you know what is this? Yes, this is frog. So what is the blend which we hear in this word frog? This blend or this blend? Yes, we hear the blend frog. We hear this blend. So we will write the blend frog here. Write it with me in your workbook. Good. Now look at this picture. What is happening here? What is he doing? Yes, he is trim. He is trimming. So this is trim. So which blend do you hear in the word trim? This one or this one? Trim. Yes, we hear the blend tr. So this is the blend we hear here. So let's write this blend tr here. Write it with me in your workbook. Tr, I, trim. Now tell me, what is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, this is tram. What is this? Tram. Now, think of the blend that you hear in the word tram. Which one? Which blend do you hear? This one or this one? Yes, we hear tr here. So we hear this blend here. Let's write tr here. Write it with me in your workbook. Tr and tram. Now look at this. What is happening? What is this? Yes, this is grab. What is this? Grab. You are right. Now listen to the word grab and tell me which blend you hear. Yes, we hear the word blend gr. So which one is gr? This one or this one? Yes, this is gr. So let's write gr blend here. Gr and b grab. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is grid. Grid. So which blend do you hear here? This one or this one? Yes, we hear the blend gr. So this is the blend we hear. So write gr with me in the blank. Gr, I, d, grid. So parents, this is how you are going to help your child complete this worksheet. Show them each word and then ask them to say what is the picture. Once they give you the name of the picture, ask them to think of the blend that they are speaking in that word. Then ask them to pick the correct blend and write them in the blanks given below. Parents, today in sight word we are going to do a worksheet to help your child recognize and read the sight word B. Please remember, B is a sight word and we always speak it in one go. So please remember, whenever you are speaking it or your child is speaking it, always speak it in one go, like B. So parents, please open WS 16 in your workbook. I am giving you 10 seconds to open WS 16 in your workbook. Parents, in this worksheet, your child will circle the word B from the words given below. So your child will look at each word and if that word is B, then they will circle it. Please point at each word and ask them if that word is B. If they say yes and if they are correct, ask them to circle it. Now I am going to show you how you are going to do this activity with your child. Hello students, remember in our previous classes we learnt a new sight word. Do you remember this sight word? Yes, this is bee. Which sight word is this? Correct. Today let's do a worksheet so that we know the word bee. Now on this worksheet you can see some words are written here. You have to tell me which words are B, and the words which are B, we will circle all the B. So let's do it together. Tell me, is this word B? Yes, this is B. So what should we do? We will circle it. Circle it in your workbook with me. Tell me, is this word B? No, this is not B. Is this word B? No, this is also not B. Is this word B? Yes. No, this is also not B. Is this word B? Should I circle it? No, this is not B. Is this word B? Yes. So what should I do? Yes, I will circle it. Circle it in your workbook. Good. Is this word B? No, this is not B. Is this word B? Yes, this is B. So let's circle it. Circle it in your workbook with me. Is this word B? No, this is not B. Is this word B? No, this is also not B. Is this word B? No, this is not B. And is this word B? Yes? No? Yes, this is B. So circle it with me in your workbook. Parents, please help your child complete WS15 for phonics and WS16 for the cipher as I have shown you during the session. Parents, in numeracy today, you are going to help your child revise the concept of size so that they can sort the object based on their size. So today we are going to do a worksheet so that they can recall the small, smaller and smallest, and they can sort the object based on the size. So parents, please open WS17 in your workbook. I am giving you 10 seconds to open WS17 in your workbook. Parents, in this worksheet, as you can see it has 3 parts. Please read the instructions of each part and ask your child to follow the instructions. Like for the first part, you will tell them to circle the smallest ball. Ask them to look at the balls and think of the smallest ball and circle it. Then you will read the instruction, circle the smaller balloon, and ask them to look at the 3 balloons and tell which is a smaller balloon and then circle it. Then you will ask them to circle the small eraser. Ask them to look at the 3 erasers here and tell you which is the small eraser here and then circle it. Now I am going to show you how you are going to do this worksheet with your child. Hello students. Remember in our previous class we spoke about small, smaller, smallest. Do you remember? Small, smaller and smallest. So small, smaller, smallest. Do you remember this? Today let's do a worksheet to see how much you know about small, smaller, smallest. Are you ready to do this worksheet with me? Let's do. Now look at these. What are these? Yes, these are 3 balls. Can you tell me which is the smallest ball? Now you know small, smaller Smallest. So think, which is the smallest ball? Point at it. Yes, this is the smallest ball. So we will circle it. Circle it with me. Good. Now look at these. What are these? Yes, these are balloons. And are they of same size? No, they are of different size. Can you tell me which is the smaller balloon here? Can you look at all the three balloons and tell me which is the smaller balloon here? Point at the smaller balloon. Yes, this is the smaller balloon. So let's circle it. Circle it with me in your workbook. Good. Now look at these three erasers. We have three erasers here. Now tell me which is the small eraser here. This one, or this one. Which is the small eraser? Point at the small eraser. Yes, this is the small eraser. Small, smaller, smallest. So this is a small eraser. Circle it with me in your workbook. So parents, this is how you're going to do this worksheet with your child. Please help your child complete this worksheet after the class. Parents, after the class, please create a number line that I am going to show you like this, so that your child can practice reverse counting. You can see the numbers are written in the reverse here. So ask them to go in the reverse order. That is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So ask them to go in the reverse order so that they can practice the reverse counting. For that, create a line like this in your room or outside your house and ask your child to jump from one number to another in the reverse order. That is from 10 to 1. So please conduct this activity with your child so that your child can learn the reverse counting in a fun way. So parents, today after the class, please show them the video that I have shown you, and please show them the different planets which are there on SR11 so that they can understand about our solar system. In literacy, please read the story Frank the Frog the way I have shown you. In phonics, please help them complete this worksheet in the same pattern the way I have done it during the class. Please help your child complete the worksheet on sight words the way I have shown. In numeracy, please help them complete WS17 so that they can sort the object based on their size. And create a number line like this in your room or outside your house or in a balcony or a terrace, and ask your child to jump from the numbers 10 to 1 so that they can learn the reverse counting from 10 to 1. Parents, we have shared the links of the Sleeping Bunny song and Months of the Year song with you. Please play these links during the day so that your child can learn about months of the year. This brings me to the end of this session. I'll meet you again in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Happy learning.